The palette that I'm going in with is the Nightmaster palette. I'm picking up the color with this flat shader brush that I got off of Amazon, and the color that I'm applying on my crease in my outer V, it is called Selfie. So now I'll be going in with Morphe E23 buffing brush to buff out my crease color, and also I will be dipping the brush back into the color Selfie to deepen my crease a little bit more. So for the lid, I did go in with a color called Unique, and I used my finger to apply it. And also I went in the Carly Bybel Deluxe palette. I didn't put the clip in the video, I completely forgot, but I used one of her highlighting shades. It's a gold one. And then I went back with the flat shader brush, and whatever was left over from the color Selfie, I just blended it out. So I'm going back in with the palette, and this time I'm gonna smoke out my lower lash line, and I'm picking up the color Selfie once again. So now I'm going back into the palette, and this time I'm picking up a color called Shook that is a couple shades darker than the first color I applied on my lash line. So now I'm going in with L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, and also for my waterline I did use the Anastasia Brow Pomade in medium brown. So now I'll be going in with MAC's Strip Down Lip Liner. So for the rest of my lips, I went in with MAC's Honey Love lipstick. I did top it off with a clear lip gloss. And the next clip is the final look. I will have every product listed down below in the description box along with my social medias, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.